Data validation in the Microsoft Office Excel. Whole number, decimal, list, date and time, and text length. When do we use data validation? Data validation is used to ensure the accuracy and reliability of data by restricting the type of data or values that users can enter into cells or fields. One whole number. I have a student list, and in the student scores I need to set the number between 0 to 100 in cells. Now I select the cells and click Data. After, I click on Data Validation to set option and choose on whole number. In this option, I choose between and type numbers 0 to 100 in box and click OK. Now I enter number of the student score in cell. It's OK with 99 number. Next subject, I enter 100. No message. In this cell, type 101. OK, it's not allow enter number is greater than 100 in cells. OK, with the whole number is done. 2 decimal in data validation. In this example, I have student list, and I want to set the student height in column E. I choose the between option in this conditional. In cells, I can enter from 1.60 to 2.10 meter. First, I select on and remove number in cells. After, click on Data and click Data Validation. Next, click to choose decimal option. In data, I need between. For minimum, I set 1.60 and maximum is 2.10 meter. Next, click OK. Now check to result. In this cell, I enter 1.80. It's OK. Next, I enter 2 meter. It's not error. And 2.10, it's OK. But I type number 3, it's not allowed to enter in cells. Or 1.20, it's error too. OK, with decimal in data validation is done. 3. List in data validation. This is result. I just click on cell. I can choose male or female in cells. I created list to set this option. Now I will show you. First, select on cells and remove texts. Next, click on Data and click Data Validation. After, choose List. In box, I type M for male, comma, F for female. And click OK. Now click on Student Gender. OK, there are 2 options in cells. List in data validation is done. 4. Date in data validation. In this example, I would like to restrict on cells is only 1 month. Now I select on cells. After, I click on Date and choose Data Validation. Next, I choose Date in option. With conditional, I choose between and enter start date. August 1st, 25 is start date. August 30, 25 is end date. Ready, click OK button. Now check the result. I enter August 0.10, 25 in cell. It's okay. But I enter this date. What's happened? September 22, 25. This value doesn't match. Because in cells I restrict only 1 month for August. Okay, with date is done. Next, time and data validation. For these cells I restrict time enter in cells. I can enter the time 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, first select on cell. Next, click Data and click Data Validation. Choose Time. And choose between in data. First, option 7 a.m. is start time. And 5 p.m. is end time enter in cells. Finish, click OK. Now click on cell and enter the time. 8 a.m. is OK. But I enter 8 p.m. as error. OK, with time is done. 5. Text length in data validation. For column F, I will set less than 11 character enter in cells. I select the cells and click Data. Next, I click on Data Validation and choose Text Length. In Data, I choose Less Than option. The values is 11. Here, it's mean that I can enter character less than 11 in cells. Now, I enter the character greater than 11. It's error. Next, if I enter 9 character in this cell, it available enter the less than 11 character in cells. Okay, with text length and data validation is done. Next, I would like to show you with error message. This is example when I click on cell has a message pop up. Now I select on cells and click on data and data validation. Click on input message. There are 2 options. First box is title. And second box is input message that I want to show on cell. Ready, click OK. Now I click on cell and message dialog boxes pop up. Next, if I want to remove data validation on cell, I select on cell and click data and data validation. Click on setting and clear all. And click OK. Now data validation has remove on cell. Whole number, decimal, list, date and time, and text length is done.